Here's how you can make prosciutto. So I see Gordon Ramsay use this a lot and it's beef Wellington. But which part of the animal is this even from?
Eye of round.
On the animal itself, where is that?
Oh shoot, man. Yeah, where's the eye of round from? Where's the eye of round from?
Okay, so it's from the hips.
Trim off all the extra fat. You don't want big globs of fat on it. Now I just cut it in half. Now we season it. Marrow jam, some sage, some black pepper, sugar, salt, starter bacteria culture. So you get the bacteria that you want growing in it, not the random Ebola stuff. Then we pop it in a vacuum bag. So it has to sit for a few weeks. When you cure it, it makes it resistant to bacteria. Take it out. So you can see that color, it turned nice and red. We're gonna wash off all these extra spices. Now you wanna hang them up in a spot that's dry. It's been up for 4 weeks. See how much small it is? You wanna lose about 25 to 30% of the total weight.
So is this already cooked? Okay, well it's not cooked, but it's cured.
Yeah, so there's no cooking process. Then you load it up into your fancy slicer.
Oh, that's really transparent.
Grab a slice of bresaola.
Bresaola? Bresaola, what does that mean?
It's a beef version of prosciutto.
So this is beef.
This is beef, not pork. Gotcha, suckers.
Technically, what is prosciutto?
Legally speaking, legally speaking, according to the Italian law, it's pork loin that they hang up and they dry the exact same way. Bresaola, legally speaking, is the beef version of it. So super halal. Now you just add a little honey to it. I love that. I would do a lot for that.
That's a whole bunch of different flavors going on right now.
The tang, the ricotta cheese, the creaminess, the sweetness from the honey.
Oof. That's solid. I'm going to give that like an 8.8 out of 10.